Today we will make Masala Chicken Karahi. Now take oil in a pot and heat it well and put some bay leaves in it. Now add onions to it and cook until soft. The onion has become soft. Now put the chicken in it. Add a spoonful of salt to the chicken and cook it for 2 minutes. Now add half a spoon of turmeric and 2 spoons of garlic ginger paste and cook it. Now add a spoonful of red chili powder. Add the tomatoes and add red chili whole. Stir to combine. Cover the chicken and keep it on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix the chicken well again. Now cover it and leave for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is soft. "15 minutes have passed. Now fry the chicken well on high flame. The chicken is fried now. Add kasturi methi, garam masala powder, and crushed black pepper. Mix well. Delicious Masala Chicken Karahi is ready. Dish out in the bowl and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Shumaila Food Secret.